Friends, followers, subscribers, we are gathered here today to bid farewell to the technology that died in 2017. This year, we saw several Microsoft products meet their blue screen of death. In April, Microsoft ended life support for Windows Vista. The company also hung up on Windows Phone, with an executive saying no new features were coming for the Windows Mobile operating system. Groove Music faded from existence. Subscribers of the streaming music service were encouraged to migrate to Spotify. And Microsoft pulled the plug on Kinect. The motion sensing system for the Xbox 360 and Xbox One ceased production. It was also game over for LEGO Dimensions. Developers announced in October there will be no more updates to the game platform that used collectible figurines to unlock gameplay. Plenty of luxury tech lost its shine. Vertu made crazy expensive cell phones made of gold and snakeskin, but the company went belly up. And my condolences to anyone who bought a 3D TV, as that television technology is officially extinct. Remember Juicero? The $400 Wi-Fi connected juicer felt the squeeze when it became apparent that you could just bypass the overpriced machine by hand squeezing juice bags into a glass. Perhaps the loss that stings the most is having to say goodbye forever to AOL Instant Messenger, better known as AIM. AIM defined what chat was for an entire generation, but many turned their back on their buddy list when smartphones and social media made AIM irrelevant. AIM launched in 1997, but alas, 20 years later, the new owner Verizon has forced AIM to set a permanent away message.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.